Hey, so if Darktable keeps crashing on your system, yeah, that's seriously annoying, especially when you're in the middle of editing. The good news is, most crashes come from a few common issues and you can fix them pretty quickly. Let's go step by step. Alright, first, just restart your computer. Yeah, simple, but it clears memory issues. Then check your RAM and CPU usage. If your system is overloaded, Darktable can crash. One of the most common causes is GPU acceleration. Go to Preferences, open the Processing tab and disable OpenCL. Then restart Darktable and test again. Yeah, so outdated or broken graphics drivers can cause crashes. Make sure your GPU drivers are fully updated. This fixes a lot of stability issues. If Darktable still crashes, your config files might be corrupted. You can reset them by deleting the config folder. Don't worry, it will be recreated automatically when you restart. Corrupted cache files can also trigger crashes. Go to your cache directory and clear it. This helps Darktable rebuild clean data. Sometimes, specific editing modules can cause crashes, especially with certain raw files. Try disabling recently used modules and see if the issue stops. If nothing works, check for updates or reinstall Darktable completely. A fresh install can fix broken files or bugs. One more quick test. Try opening a different image. If only one file crashes the app, that file might be corrupted or unsupported. So yeah, that's how you fix Darktable crashing issues. Start with the simple fixes, then move step by step. One of these should get things stable again. Hey,